through this 5-day structured program, the students are able to share their hopes and dreams for planning how they want Singapore to look like in the future and also to contribute to sustainable Singapore.
Back in 2017, I was actually a student from Poly participating in Cube, and I felt that it was quite meaningful. I really enjoyed this, and of course, after that experience, I went into NUS architecture, and then I learned a bit more about architecture and space planning, and it got me even more interested with this knowledge and the previous experience I had to come back here and then to at least share the knowledge I have or help as much as I can.
Cube is important not only because it gives students an insight into what master planners and architects do on a daily basis. It gives them a sense of how to design for the built environment.
The idea for Long Island, we are planning to do an amphibious naturescape where users can experience both land and water elements on the Long Island. So for example, we've got waterways running through both residential and commercial areas, and so they'll be experiencing both land and water features.
We want to actually incorporate a lot of our marine diversity into our designs. We have a turtle hub, which is kind of a community center for all the residents in the area. Around the turtle, actually, we have 5 eggs, kind of, where they're different, which they all serve different functions. So we have recreation, wellness, cultural.
I've learned from Cube that a lot of work goes into planning Singapore's urban design, how the design has to cater for everyone's needs, and I think that really made me interested in the idea of urban design more.
I think it will augur well for the future generation to participate more vigorously in the planning of our future green spaces.
As an architect, I feel that taking part in Cube, it also gives me a chance to learn what the younger generation is thinking about. And in that sense, it is a kind of a win-win where I get to understand them as well.